Hello viewers, welcome to the best purchase guide on YouTube. We all know that it's difficult to find the best product according to our budget. To make your purchase decision easier and to save your time, in this video our expert team picked only the finest items for you based on features, manufacturer's reputation, price and actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Brother SE600 Sewing and Embroidery Machine. The Brother SE600 2-in-1 sewing and embroidery machines allows you to bring creativity to life with ease. This 4-inch by 4-inch embroidery machine is packed with enhanced technology and multiple customizable features that streamline your sewing and embroidery. This computerized sewing and embroidery machine allows you to view embroidery designs in full color on the large 3.7-inch So Smart Color LCD touchscreen display and preview your design edits on the screen before stitching. The SE600 has additional built-in features to simplify the design process. You can choose from 80 fresh and inspiring embroidery designs or import your own designs through the USB port. The sewing features include 103 versatile built-in sewing stitches, needle up/down and variable speed controls, and a drop feed for creative free motion sewing. Our second best sewing machine for embroidery is Brother SE1900 Sewing and Embroidery Machine. This easy-to-use and professionally engineered machine allows you to create projects from scratch with 240 built-in sewing stitches and 138 built-in embroidery designs. A large LCD color touchscreen display allows users to view their designs and editing options in full color prior to beginning their sewing project. The Brother SE1900 also features My Custom Stitch. The SE1900 combination sewing and embroidery machine has limitless applications. The design editing feature allows you to easily change individual embroidery thread colors using the built-in color palette and preview them on the 3.2-inch So Smart touchscreen. The Brother SE1900 Sewing and Embroidery Machine allows you to import your own embroidery design files using the built-in USB port. The automatic needle threader takes care of threading the needle for you with just the touch of a lever. If you're searching for an easy-to-use and diverse combo sewing and embroidering machine, the Brother SE1900 is an exceptional choice. For details, let's watch more.
Want to take your creations from a great idea to a flawless execution? Use the Brother SE1900 2-in-1 machine to bring your sewing and embroidery masterpieces to life. The large LCD touchscreen allows you to add and edit embroidery designs right from the machine. There's a generous 5x7 embroidery area to work with. Choose from a wide range of 138 designs that are ready to go as soon as you turn it on, along with top-notch lettering options to add that personal touch to any piece. Have your own design you'd like to use? Easily load it in with the built-in USB port. You can edit your designs using the touchscreen. Change up the colors to suit your vision. Arrange the lettering to bring it all together. And manipulate your images and words by rotating, flipping, and resizing with just a touch. And automatic threading makes needle frustration a thing of the past. A generously sized workspace gives you plenty of room to breathe, and there are 240 built-in sewing stitches to work from. You'll also get 7 sewing feet included for adding buttons, zippers, blind hems, and more. For all things embroidery and sewing, the SE1900 2-in-1 machine has everything you could need to bring them to life.
Third choice in our list is Genome 9850 Embroidery and Sewing Machine. This is the new version of Genome 9900 and it is the perfect machine for users working on advanced projects. Genome HMC 9850 includes plenty of features and functions for all types of sewing and embroidery. There is no doubt that this high-end model delivers excellent quality stitches. It is a unit that, this machine is very smooth when stitching and super accurate when quilting. It is also super easy to use for you as a beginner giving your first steps in the sewing and embroidering world. Notice the start/stop bottom on the picture beneath the text. It is the ideal feature for beginners and even children who are curious about creating their first garments. Of course, supervise them while they experiment. This is one of the embroidery and sewing machine for the money right now.
As reliable as a droid. With precision like a lightsaber. Power that rivals the Millennium Falcon. And everything you need to take on the Empire. May the Force be with you. Introducing Star Wars Sewing and Embroidery. A machine as reliable as a droid. With precision like a lightsaber. Power that rivals the Millennium Falcon. And everything you need to take on the Empire. May the Force be with you.
Last in our top 5 best sewing machine for embroidery list is Brother SE 1900 Sewing and Embroidery Machine. This machine comes with complimentary software which is easily updatable. The Singer SE 300 Legacy has 250 built-in stitches, 200 embroidery designs, and 6 alphabet options. This machine has a very high stitching speed. It sews at 800 stitches per minute and embroiders at 700 stitches per minute. This Singer sewing and embroidery machine also has an automatic needle threader. This is the ultimate sewing time saver. An upper thread sensor is also incorporated into this embroidery sewing machine. It warns you when the thread is about to run out. Its LCD touchscreen enables you to adjust the machine settings while its bright LED lights illuminate the stitching surface. The accessories that come with this machine include a large embroidery hoop, a small embroidery hoop, an all-purpose foot, thread spool net, lint brush and a USB embroidery stick. With this machine it is easy to transfer design files to this machine by use of the available USB port. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.